Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Getcontact app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on menu down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on color ID settings, you just click on it here. Then you come to next step. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to show color ID for outgoing calls. Just click here in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean here show color ID for outgoing calls enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.